Intro! Hello, I'm here playing White Noise again, sadly. There's an online. I bought the regular and I bought online, so I I like to have people with me if I can. Click join. Gosh, okay. Here we go. There's maps. Okay. Going to have fun here. Oh, jeez. You are very scary. You're the first thing I see. Oh, we got a regular boy over here. I feel like I'm taller. Okay, well, I'm just gonna look around. Do. Let's see if the first tape's behind here. We're sticking together, right? Good. Don't like how if we are not. Nope, it's not or here. Oh, let's try here. Over here. Sadly, they don't talk to me, so there's gonna be a really bad communication. I'm just gonna start seeing them shit their pants is and disappear on me. We're sticking together, right? Good. Okay. Well, I don't see no tape. I see a door. Too bad we can't go inside. Great. The first wall I see. That is wonderful. First tape. Okay. Oh God. Do not like the sound of this. Let's just get this way. Okay, we're sticking together, right? Okay. I don't like how that guy needs to stick with us. He really. Oh my gosh. Okay, he's right there. Oh. Okay. Come on, guys. Stick with me. Stick with me. Somewhere around here. Okay. Gosh. Okay. Stick together, guys. We do not want him to pick us one by one. Man, this seems like a very small map. I'm not seeing that. Here's something. I do not like how those rocks look. Yup. Especially with the teeth. Teeth. They look like dragons. Do not like the sound of this. We're sticking together, right? Guys, are you guys slow? Okay. Come on, guys. I'm the only one in here. Okay, thank you. That guy's gonna die. He died! What? Dude! Oh my God. Did he? I see his body. Is he like a ghost now? Yeah, he's a ghost. I don't like this. This is not cool. Fuck! Oh my gosh. So what are you, just gonna be a little ghost boy? Just watching us die? Where's the other team? It's gotta be around here somewhere. I'm a little bit more calm since there's people around me. I need to find the tape. Let's go over here. Jeez. We only got one tape and one of us has died. Gosh. I don't like this. Let's come running in the dark. Running in the dark. Running in the dark. Let's follow these. These seem safe. Even though he was just here, not even safe. Jeez, you almost scared me. You little ghost freak. I'm sorry, you're not ghost freak. I'm sorry, I don't want to hurt your ghost freaks. I didn't mean anything by it. Okay. Well, let's see if this sign gives us anything. No, it's so far blank. Yep, blank all around. It's completely useless. Let's just go this way. Seems like a good path. Yep, I see some wood. Wood's a good sign, except you no, Slenderman needs to be a woodcutter. That's not good. I might die here now. I'm gonna be realistic here. I don't like this. Don't like it whatsoever. There's a tape! We did it! Yeah! Yes! Follow me! Let's just go. Oh, okay, that kind of scared me at first. What is this? Magical statue! I don't like this. Magical statue's killing me. Oh boy! He's right there. Oh, where's my friends? Where are my friends? He's right there. Where the hell are my friends? They're right there. Ghost boy, where is he? Where the fuck is he? Did he die? Ah! Gosh. Did not. What was that? Oh, I'm alive. I died and what? What's going on here? Oh, I see. I'm a ghost now. Well, fuck you. Where the fuck were you? Huh? Where were you when I was getting chased? And what was that statue? Did you even find another tape? Gosh. This sucks. Well, I'm just gonna look around. Did we get to see him? Where is he? Oh, well, where's the... Do we get to see Slender? Can we only see Slender? Can we see it coming if he dies? He's gonna fucking die. If he just stays in this area. We need to move on. Really? We're just gonna stay here. Yep, this seems pretty legit. We're just gonna be a little ghost while... Especially since I did all the work. I knew it. I was gonna die. At least he's moving out. Why do we have flashlights? We're ghosts. Everything seems bright now. Oh, this is nice. I didn't see this when I was getting killed. Yeah, okay, you can stop looking around. Well then. Okay. He died. I'm guessing. Yes, he died. Okay then. He's went around. Oh, for 8 minutes. That's nice. In memory of Lemon Twist Zombie Brute. Oh, I was hot. I was a hot blonde chick. Tape record found. I found 2. Yeah. Take it. Oh yeah. Distance blocked. Okay, I'm not the best. Screams. Okay, we record screams now. I feel loved. Oh, here's a replay. That's cool. That shows kind of where we were now. Yep, that's where he died. Whoa, wait, no, that was a puzzle piece. And the red's when he died. No, never mind. See, that's when he died. See, now he's blue. And the exclamation marks are where we spotted him and didn't die. And I'm guessing on the red. Yep. Found a puzzle piece. Freaking out. And I died. And the blue guy, the other guy didn't go that far, really. He did not. Nope. Well, I would say, but he went in a circle. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, blah blah blah. Leave me any suggestions. Ha! Oh, that's cute. He wants me to fight. Okay, see you later. End. Okay. He died.